Restaurant-style Karahi Paneer is a popular North Indian dish that features succulent paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cooked in a rich and aromatic tomato-based gravy. This recipe is known for its vibrant colors, bold flavors, and a perfect balance of spices. To recreate the restaurant-style Karahi Paneer at home, we start by marinating the paneer cubes in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. This helps infuse the paneer with flavors and keeps it tender. Next, we prepare the base gravy by sautéing onions, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste until golden brown. Then, we add chopped tomatoes and cook them until they turn soft and pulpy. A blend of spices like coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, is added to the gravy to enhance its aromatic profile. Once the gravy is well cooked, we add the marinated paneer cubes and stir gently to coat them with a flavorsome sauce. To give the dish a restaurant-style touch, we finish it off with a generous garnish of freshly chopped coriander leaves and a drizzle of fresh cream, which adds richness and creaminess to the dish. Restaurant-style Karahi Paneer is best enjoyed with naan, roti, or jeera rice. The combination of the tender paneer cubes and the luscious tomato-based gravy creates a harmonious balance of flavors, making every bite a delightful experience. The aromatic spices and the tangy tomato notes come together to create a taste sensation that is sure to please your palate. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or craving a restaurant-style meal at home, this Karahi Paneer recipe is perfect for satisfying your cravings. The rich and flavorful gravy, combined with the creamy paneer, will transport you to the world of authentic Indian cuisine. So, bring the flavors of your favorite Indian restaurant into your own kitchen and indulge in the irresistible taste of restaurant-style Karahi Paneer. Elevate your dining experience with this delicious and comforting dish that is sure to impress your family and guests alike.